Our standard GERD protocol used to be so intensive, like raise the head of your bed 6 inches, no
Wow.
tomatoes with no acidic foods, right? 10 million other protocols, right? But now we've added BPC, open the capsule. So we're hitting the ear, nose, throat, and upper gut, esophageal area where usually there's yeast and bacteria. Those are all the contributors to heartburn, reflux, GERD, hiatal hernias, and these all disappear. All the good flora that protect that area, like our probiotic Bifida maximus, the powder, they all disappear after antibiotics or stress or both. So we want to always like reinstill, the good flora. And I have a feeling if we actually did enough studies, this would BPC is a lot like TB4, where we would see actually resurrection of the flora. One study with TB4 showed that, and I suspect with all the peptides, they're all antimicrobial. It's our flora and our gut. These are the biggest sources of BPC. So if anyone's over age 17 or chronically ill or sick or had a lot of antibiotics, we don't make BPC anymore enough to heal. So we got to like bridge it until we actually get there and heal enough.